guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at some magnets, and then if you know magnet then you are good. I have like 9 sticks and all of them are non-magnet. Basically you can stuck on the magnet only. So I have this paper clip. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this paper clip. So first all you need is, wait a minute. So first all you need is 2 paper clips that are open. Now from over here you're going to start like that. And insert this out. Okay, I think that I'm doing it very wrong. So somewhere, what I'm doing? Okay, just to like open. Ouch! Just open this, and then it should be like this completely. Like this, for this too. Okay, and then it should be good to go. Now you have a paper clip in the star, and as you can see 9 of them. I'm going to show you a cool trick. If you know that trick, just like the video. Okay, not like this, like this. See, it's going right by itself. I'm not even doing anything, it's moving by itself. The magnet is right, and the magnet like this, it just sticks on another. And like this. Also, I'm gonna tell you. Do like that. Then I'm going to do like that. And then I'm going to a cool trick you can do. If you are playing with magnets and you're gonna go to a destination over there, but you can't go over there. So what better way it is to play with your magnets. So just like this, first take a magnet. I'm doing a little bit of order so you see it. Now on this magnet over here, put this magnet, no tricks involved in this. Tricks involved in this. So now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do like that, and then it should be completely go like this. It's crazy, right? Now you can play with this like this. See? So thank you for guys watching. I know it's not a long video, but I'm gonna make a long video. It's just kidding. So if you can see this, I'm gonna show you how to make a magnetic thingy. What you need these things. You need this paper clip. I'm gonna show you. I just bought another. This should be not that hole over here. It should be like that. You can do it. I just do it when I just make this. So you do this, then this circle. This is the circle, and this not. So make sure there is no circles like this one. So now what you have to do next, take a screwdriver, then just plug this in. Make sure, be careful. Okay, now you're going to insert this in like this, and it should be on this. You is close that pin. Now it should be good to go. Now take a magnet and just do it, because the screwdriver is magnetic. So I know it's not a long video. I'm gonna make it wrong. So If you know my face, you can obviously know. So, what you be doing if you cancel this? Okay, this if you listen that voice, don't mind that voice. So you can see this. This is not perfectly made. So now, come on. Now a better way to prank your friends. First take some gold. Well, okay. What better way to prank your friends? Take two magnets. Just put them inside of this in this closet. Now prank your friends that I can lift this magnet with my hand. Just like this. Oh shit. Okay. Like that and oh. So just like this. You talk to them that how can you do this? That they were like, whoa, it's reflecting. Psych, it's magnet in there. And I can open this just like this and then magnet it just like this. It should be perfectly magneted. Oh my god. So thank you for watching, guys. I know that I'm not gaming because it's too just boring. So I'm gonna be playing next time. I'm going to be playing 3 Pandas in Brazil. I know I love this game, but this game is boring for you. Or I will play Lego Marvel Avengers or FIFA 17. I have FIFA 17 in my laptop and now Lego Marvel Avengers. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.